Welcome to Guaíba Project 2, Celulose Rio Grandense's expansion project, and also the biggest private investment in Rio Grande do Sul history. A project budgeted at over 5 billion reals, and that relies on the work of over 9,000 people for its development. And Valmet plays a big role in this undertaking. Valmet is managing over 4,000 people involved directly in the work, always thinking, acting, and operating safely. Next, Valmet presents safety rules, so you can visit Guaíba Project 2 calmly and safely. For your visit to the Guaíba Project 2 facilities, pay attention to instructions and procedures in existence for the different construction work. Wearing PPEs such as safety helmet, shoes, hearing protection, and safety glasses is mandatory, and you should also wear a high visibility vest. As a fundamental step towards safety, organization and cleanliness should be maintained at all construction locations. We would also like to remind you that smoking, eating, or having meals at the facilities is forbidden, except in specifically designated areas. You should pay extra attention to vehicles circulating and moving cargo. If you are in a vehicle, remember that the speed limit for the factory and all construction areas is 20 kilometers per hour. And never forget to wear your safety belt and keep headlights on. Always keep exits and emergency equipment unobstructed. In case of emergency, call 0800-726-7333. Or, if you prefer, communicate via radio through Channel 1, specifying where the emergency is happening. If you detect a fire, if possible, control it with the fire extinguishers available on site. If not, immediately inform the firefighters department in the emergency contact list and look for the party responsible for the sector affected by the fire. In case of accident, never touch the victim. Stay calm and call first aid at 51-2139-7474, providing the following information: exact location of victim, nature of accident, victim's name, victim's condition. When you hear an emergency alarm, stay calm and pay attention to its sound. Short sounds with spaces in between mean danger. For their part, long sounds with spaces in between mean a serious situation. Pay close attention to a continuous alarm sound, which orders evacuation of the construction site. In this case, observe the wind direction and move in the opposite way. When handling dangerous substances, always read the product label, obeying all handling and storage rules. Electrical facilities and equipment should be checked regularly and be in perfect operating condition. X-ray and gamma ray tests are always carried out in environments cordoned off with yellow and black tape. For this reason, never enter an area cordoned off with these colors. When operating lifting and loading vehicles, make sure the vehicle is capable of handling the operation, always obeying related legislation.
Welding and cutting operations can only begin after necessary preventative measures are observed, and only in cordoned-off areas with authorization of the responsible department.
Work done at heights of over 2 meters should only be done by trained personnel and using proper preventative methods, such as certified scaffolding and safety straps. At Valmet, we are committed to bringing the principles of health, safety, and environment to our work locations through leadership and a proactive mindset, following high standards in all our activities.